Jai Gurudev, dear students. Children, you know we have completed chapter number 2 and today we are going to start chapter number 3. Okay, the world of plants. In this chapter we will study about the plants, various types of plants. Okay, so now we started second unit and this chapter is coming under second unit and unit number second is flora and fauna. Children, first of all I want to tell you that flora means plants and fauna means animals. Okay, so under this unit we will study about some plants also and animals also, but this chapter is based on plants only. So the world of plants, let's see what is given in the chapter. Look around yourself. You must be seeing a variety of plants growing here and there. So children, you also know that you have seen many of plants around your area or around your home. Some may be big, some may be small. उनमें से कुछ प्लांट्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत बड़े होते हैं, बिग साइज के, and some of them are small. So some may be short, some may be tall. Children, from these all plants, some plants are short in height, okay, just like grasses, coriander, mint. These all the plants are short plants, okay, their height is short height, and some of their tall, just like coconut tree, or you can say mango tree. These kind of plants are tall. Okay, so variety of plants we can see around ourselves. Okay, so next in this part of this chapter, here they have given tick the circle against your answer. So here this is a small activity, okay, for you especially. Here they have given small question, which is a smaller plant. So they have given two pictures. First is tulsi plant. To tulsi we also call basil. Okay, tulsi plant, you all of you are must be having at your home this plant. So it is very common. And coconut, this is a coconut plant. They are asking which is smaller in size. Coconut plant is smaller in size or tulsi smaller in size. You know children, coconut plant is so tall. Okay, so as compared to coconut plant, tulsi plant is smaller in size. So in tulsi, here you put tick. Okay, you should tick this circle. So this is the right one. Here next is which is a taller plant. So out of these two, this is banana and this is rose. Children, from these two, which plant is taller plant? Banana also very commonly you can see in some places banana trees are also there. Banana plant is taller as compared to rose plant. Rose plant is shorter in height. Okay, so as compared to banana means rose, banana is taller. So here you have to put tick in the circle. So next question is, which plant has bigger leaves? कौन से plants के leaves bigger होते हैं? Neem plant or lotus plant? Children, lotus also you can see in many ponds. It is easily visible in the ponds, and neem plant is also very commonly you can see all around nearby your area. So neem plant has smaller leaves as compared to lotus plant. Lotus plant has bigger leaves. Okay, so children, here also bigger leaves के इसमें सर्कल में आपको टिक करना है. तो here you put tick. Understood? Because lotus plant has bigger leaves and floating leaves which floats on the surface of water. Okay, so this is a small activity. This thing you will also fill in your book by watching the video. Okay, so after this let's come on the next types of plants. So children, you may have seen so many kind of plants all around your surroundings, your area, and here we are classifying some kind of plants, means types of plants. In your earlier classes you have read about various types of plants, means जो आपने पहले की क्लासेस में क्लास 2 में आपने कुछ प्लांट्स के बारे में ऑलरेडी पढ़ा हुआ है, और you have read about trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. So children, these are the some types of plants which we can classify the plants into these 5 categories. Okay, so what are these 5 categories? First are the trees. You must have seen so many kind of trees like mango tree, banyan tree, peepal tree. Okay, so which have taller in size and they have big trunk, tree trunk, which is called stem of the plant. And second category is herbs. So children, what are the herbs? Herbs are the small plants, and these plants are green in color and with have tender soft parts. Okay, just like coriander, grasses, जो आप धनिया जिसको बोलते हैं, कोरिएंडर धनिया को बोलते हैं, और ग्रासेस जितनी होती हैं, घास जितने भी होते हैं, छोटे छोटे होते हैं और वो सॉफ्ट होते हैं. ओके, विच वी कैन इजीली pluck or easily broken down. So third category is shrubs. Shrubs, children, these are the small size plant but larger than herbs, and shrubs have woody kind of stem, means shrubs की जो stem होती है उसको आप easily break नहीं कर सकते हो. Understood children? Beta, in the next class I'll show you all these kind of plants, original plants I'll show you of these categories, because from these all the categories trees are very well known. ट्रीज को तो आप जानते ही हो कि ट्रीज हम किसको बोलते हैं, बनाना, नीम ट्री, बैनियन ट्री, ये सारे ट्रीज आपने इजीली देखे हैं. ओके, यू कैन डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन देम. बट हर्ब्स का भी आप ग्रासेस को देखते हो, बट देन ऑल्सो आई विल शो यू ऑल द प्लांट्स. ओके, हर्ब्स, श्रब्स, एंड श्रब्स में आप तुलसी एंड रोज प्लांट का एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हो. दीज आर द श्रब प्लांट्स. इनकी स्टेम को आप इजीली ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते. इट हैज वुडी स्टेम. सो climbers means these are the weak plants. Climbers and creepers, these two category are the plants which are having weak stem. So children, under the climbers we can take example of this bitter gourd plant, जो करेला होता है, करेले का प्लांट, या पंपकिन का प्लांट, या कोई भी बेल, जो बेल वाले प्लांट होते हैं जिनमें स्प्रिंग जैसे स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं, दीज ऑल द प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड क्लाइंबर्स. ओके, क्लाइंबर्स का मतलब होता है पकड़ पकड़ के चलना और चढ़ना. ओके, किसी सपोर्ट की हेल्प से ये ग्रो करते हैं. तो दीज आर कॉल्ड क्लाइंबर्स. एंड क्रीपर्स मीन्स जो रेंग रेंग के आगे बढ़ते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं क्रीपर्स. सो क्रीपर्स आर ऑल्सो अ कैटेगरी ऑफ प्लांट्स, एंड अंडर दिस कैटेगरी mint is also a kind of creeper. Okay, and we can say some grasses are also creepers. Even watermelon plant is also creeper. ये ऐसे प्लांट्स होते हैं जो अपनी ब्रांचेस को अपनी रूट्स के थ्रू ग्राउंड के ऊपर स्लोली इंक्रीज करते जाते हैं, और स्लोली पूरा एरिया जो होता है नियर बाय एरिया दे कैन कैप्चर. ओके, दे ग्रो स्लोली, देयर स्टेम, अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम grows slowly, and then it spread around its area. So these are the 5 category of plants: trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. Okay children, so recollect your knowledge and fill in the missing details in the flow chart. So children, here this is the another activity, second activity for you. Here whatever we have learnt we have to fill here. Now you can see, जो अभी मैंने आपको बताया plants के बारे में और types of plants, here they have given, here they have written plants, और plants को इन्होंने 2 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है. प्लांट्स 2 टाइप के मेन होते हैं. कुछ होते हैं big is written, so opposite of big is small, so here we write small. Some plants are big, some are small. And under big plants what are called, what are coming? Trees big plants में आते हैं. बिग प्लांट्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रीज. सो अंडर ट्रीज हियर दे हैव रिटन एग्जाम्पल. ईजी मीन्स एग्जाम्पल. सो एग्जाम्पल इज पाइन इज ऑल्सो ट्री. ओके, एंड मैंगो इज ऑल्सो ट्री. सो हियर दे हैव फिल्ड ऑलरेडी. बट अंडर स्मॉल प्लांट्स दे हैव रिटन हियर 4 कैटेगरी: श्रब्स, डैश, इसमें आपकी बुक में भी डैश दिया होगा, एंड हियर यू राइट हर्ब्स. ओके, shrubs are also small plants, herbs are also small plants, and climbers are also small. Even here also blank they have given, here you write creepers are also small plants. Means whatever we have studied here, out of these all only trees are bigger in size. They are coming under big plants, and these all are the small plants. Okay, so जहाँ पे भी बेटा आप लोगों को यहाँ ब्लैंक दिया, कुछ नहीं फिल किया है, इसमें आपको खुद फिल करना है. और फर्स्ट वाली यहाँ ब्लैंक में स्मॉल प्लांट्स में क्या करना है? हर्ब्स लिखना है. एंड climbers they have already written, and here you write creepers, creepers. अब shrubs की एग्जाम्पल में क्या क्या कौन कौन से प्लांट्स आएंगे? कॉटन एंड मेहंदी. These two category of plants are coming under shrubs category. And herbs की कैटेगरी में एग्जाम्पल क्या आएंगी? कोरिएंडर एंड पुदीना, धनिया जिसको हम बोलते हैं. ओके. एंड क्लाइंबर्स में क्या आ जाएगा? पीज एंड ग्रेप्स. अंडरस्टूड? एंड they have already written examples. एंड क्रीपर्स की एग्जाम्पल में क्या है? वाटरमेलन एंड स्ट्रॉबेरी. अंडरस्टूड? So children, this is a small kind of activity which you have to do and fill these all the blanks in your book. Okay? So next, in the next class, we will study about the parts of a plant. Means एक प्लांट के कौन कौन से पार्ट्स होते हैं और उनका फंक्शन क्या होता है वो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में स्टडी करेंगे. ओके. सो चिल्ड्रन, टुडे यू हैव टू रिवाइज ऑल दीज थिंग्स विच आई हैव taught you in this this class video, and whatever new words you find here, means tough words you are finding, that all you again and again pronounce and learn them. Understood? Mainly the name of all these 5 plants, these category of plants you should know. So children, for today class it is I'm concluding my class up to here. You fill all the things and revise it by rewinding the video. Okay children? So in the next class we will continue with this chapter, and hope you will enjoy the next class, because in the next class I'll show you the original plant and original types of various plants. Okay. And by showing these types of plants, trees I can't show you because I can't these are the big plants. Trees you can see all around your area, but I'll show you shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. These kind of category of plants I'll show you in the next class. Okay children? So Jai Gurudev to all of you. Stay safe at home.